Hi, Lilac. Hi, sweetheart. Let's see. Alright, so this is Lilac. Probably, seen the videos before. This is the snowman timer, because if we go too long, they don't upload very well. So, as you can see, she's very pretty. She's playful. She's just a really sweet girl. And who else we got here?
Did you see him?
What? I know. This is a B-Ruck. Oh, where's home? I think Asker's still sleeping. There's Godzilla. Right here. You guys get out of here. We'll make this more about Lilac than we will about the rest of you two guys, and we'll let them do their own video. Oh, I know. Well, I know.
What are you gonna do?
Is that still clicking? What? I know.
No, you're not gonna go back to sleep.
Look how pretty.
You know why? Because you have to.
I gotta put the pillows away, don't I? But this is not Christmas any longer.
How many of these dreams do you have to have, Larry? Honey. Universe.
What's the matter, sweetheart?
What is it saying?
Well,
Coco, know what you invited you?
it's saying,
Get out of here, Coco. They're here. To see Lilac. What's the matter, sweetheart? I know. Oh, are you such a sweet girl? And the beaver's going, I know, what? I know, what kisses, yuck, dog germs.
do you see that? Keep down on yourself and keep down on me, but do you see that lip? Mr. White, what are you doing?
What am I doing here? You're asking me what I'm doing here? I don't know what I'm doing. What
Give me
am I
that
doing
footy.
here?
Oh, you guys. Oh, look at that nice belly. Oh, that's a nice belly.
Who drove you
Oh,
here?
that's a nice belly. Get out of here, beaver. Get out of here.
What were you doing driving the truck? You're a little boy.
We need you. We need you to help us stop the Whitby.
Whitby. What is Whitby?
Our house.
Are you so pretty?
Well, we're
Are
not
you
going
so
to be able to help
pretty?
you with that.
Are
I'm
you
so
so
sorry,
pretty?
because your parents have probably
Are you
contacted
so
the
pretty?
authorities, and we could be arrested for
Are
kidnapping.
you so
Larry,
pretty?
can I talk to you? Just give us a second, please.
It's
So
true,
sorry.
what I'm saying.
What are you doing? You're talking.
I don't know if you're on camera or not.
The universe is trying to communicate.
I hope you
You're
are.
worried about something as earthbound as kidnapping?
Look how pretty. Give me that
It's
footy.
driving me
Give me that
crazy.
footy. Give me that footy. Give me that footy. Oh, I got that tail.
I don't even know how
Oh, I
to
got
get
that
the
tail.
Come on,
Oh,
get in the car.
give me that footy.
Yeah, let the kid drive.
Larry,
Why not?
get in the car. You guys know how to use seatbelts. Put them on. Here you go.
Lilac. Are you so pretty? Thank you.
Everybody, fingers and toes in. Good. Seatbelts, please. Okay, Whidbey Island.
Are you just watching everybody? While your time's almost up.
Hi, this is Joe.
Oh, hi, Joe.
Now, Karen.
Pretty. Whoop, that's it.